Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Tid Bit Tuesday. This week we're going to talk a little bit about thermostats. Thermostats have come a long way. Most thermostats that homeowners have installed in their home now are digital thermostats. The old thermostats were what we called a mercury bulb thermostat. Usually had a dial or a little lever that you adjusted, and the bulb would drop whenever it would need heating or cooling. Um, Digital thermostats use a resistor to detect the indoor temperature, and they are extremely accurate. If it calls for 75 degrees in your home, um, more than likely it's going to be exactly 75 degrees in the location of your thermostat. Um, Along with the digital thermostats came the digital programmable thermostat. These came along to be fuel savers for whenever homeowners were not at home. They would set their temperature back or up depending upon what season it is, heating or cooling. So the system didn't run as often whenever they were away from home. Big issue with that type of thermostat was homeowners typically would like to set their thermostat back 6 to 8 degrees while they were not home. This was kind of defeating the purpose of the fuel saver, because whenever the system would come on to get the temperature back up in the home before the homeowner got home, it would run a whole lot longer than it would have just to keep it at the same temperature all day. So it's industry standard, definitely highly recommended that you only set your thermostat back 4 or 5 degrees at the most while you're gone. That will give you extreme maximum energy efficiency savings with the digital thermostats. What's coming out now with high efficiency equipment is what they call a communicating thermostat. It's where the thermostat, your indoor unit, whether it be a furnace or an air handler for a heat pump, and the outdoor unit, which would either be an air conditioning unit or a heat pump unit. As the system is running, the thermostat and the units communicate to each other, and they kind of teach each other exactly what needs to be done to obtain the optimum efficiency of the system. These thermostats will read the outdoor temperature, outdoor humidity, the indoor temperature, indoor humidity, and also the airflow through the system through the ductwork. And as it runs, the thermostat will read everything and tell the indoor and outdoor units which way they should operate to, have the peak efficiency of the system. Also, on these types of thermostats, it will also tell you if there's any kind of failures and to contact a service technician or a service company, and because there's an issue. Pretty cool little system. Those type of thermostats, usually the contractor that installs them will set them up with all the contractor information in it for that contractor. So if there is any kind of failure, it will bring up the name of the company and the phone number to contact for service repairs. Also on those thermostats, neat little feature is where you can put in a thumb drive and you can upload your pictures, and instead of seeing a thermostat screen, you can actually have screensavers of family photos or pet photos or vacation photos, and they'll just play through as a screensaver, and that way it doesn't have quite the eyesore of a big screen up there saying temperatures and all the things that it's doing. With those types of thermostats, there are Wi-Fi capability with those, and what that will allow is access from any mobile device or even computer. Usually it's mobile device. Most people like to download the app on their phone, and they can see what their system's doing while they're away from home. If you leave the home and you forget to turn the thermostat back, you can get right on your phone and set it back, and no worries. It will also has capability of, if there is an issue with the system while you're gone, it will actually notify your phone that there is a failure with the system and that you should contact a repair company to set up an appointment for service repair. Got a newsletter last week from the industry, and they have kind of gave a little tidbit of what's in the future with thermostats, and that's going to be home automation. Um, it's going to be quite interesting and exciting at the same time. Um, what's going to happen is everything in your home will be able to be connected to your thermostat, and as well Wi-Fi capable with the app on your mobile device, and you'll be able to turn your security system on and off, as well as lights in your home. You'll be able to, if say you're working late and you're 9-10 o'clock getting home and you want a light on in your home, so whenever you get home, a little bit of security, um, safety, you can just get on your mobile device, pull up the application, and turn your outdoor light on or indoor light on. That way, feel a little bit safer getting home. Lots of kind of scary things. And whenever I say scary, I mean there's going to be a lot of technology coming out, and a lot of training that companies will have to do to their technicians to keep them updated in the industry and what's going to be going on. There will be a lot of companies that will, for lack of better words, be winging it. Their guys will play it by ear and see what they can figure out and do what they can do. But Midshore Mechanical, we try to keep up on our training fairly well. Our technicians are NATE certified. If you're not sure what NATE certification is, you can check out our website. There's a video that kind of goes through the benefits of why a homeowner should have a NATE certified company service their equipment. It's going to be a short video, just a little tidbits of what's going on with the thermostats and kind of energy saving things. There's more information available. If you would like to have more information or have other questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Phone numbers and email links are on our webpage, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have or give you prices on different setups and different thermostats and things like that. So for this week, that's all we have, and hope you have a wonderful week, and we will post another video next week. Thank you.